Pag mga gantong after big celebrations or kunyari holidays, I'm sure marami sa atin blessed enough na marami tayong leftover. Ito yung isa sa mga discarding ginagawa namin sa hotel industry wherein imbis na mas-scrap natin, we could actually turn leftover foods into a different dish. Kagaya nito, kunyari yung mga garnish natin na or side dish na vegetables, buttered vegetables. Typically, pa-fried rice mo yan or kadalasan, we turn it into soup. So we have our pot here, chicken stock. Pakukuluan lang natin ito. And then, season natin ng salt and pepper. And then, hayaan lang natin yan kumulo. So, rolling boil na yung ating chicken stock. Lagyan na natin yung ating vegetables. Pwede na natin to actually tanggalin from apoy para ma-blender na natin. Using yung ating stick blender, syempre pag nasa bahay kayo, kahit yung ordinary blender, pwedeng-pwede lang. The purpose lang naman ito is to puree yung ating vegetables. Just like that, meron ka ng mainit, masarap, at syempre nutritious na vegetable soup. Somehow, halos pareho pa rin naman yung lasa niya. Pero because of the texture, and of course yung chicken stock natin, panalo to eh. This is like a comforting soup na pwede mong i-freezer. Pag sobra pa rin yung nagawa mo, and then painit mo, you can even make this into soup. Lagyan mo ng mga leftover pa na mga lechon, mga ham. Napakadaling i-elevate nitong dish na to. Pasok na pasok sa budget, walang sayang.